prototyping board. The circuit prototyping board has been designed for electronics and electrical students or any electronics hobbyist to help them build and test their circuit in fast, easy and efficient manner. This board provides all the essential functionalities of common laboratory instruments in a single kit. Simplicity of the kit helps layman and junior to get used with basic electronic laboratory instruments.
As you can see, this is circuit prototyping board. This board contains fixed power supply, variable power supply, various potentiometers, digital clock, frequency generator, ammeter, voltmeter, digital output block and digital input block. Power on. This is fixed power supply section. This is 5 volt single power supply. Design using 7805 regulator IC. Minus 12 volt power supply. Design using 7912 regulator IC. And 12 volt fixed power supply. Design using 7812 regulator IC. This is variable power supply designed using LM317 and LM337. This is 0 to 12 volt variable power supply and 0 to minus 12 volt variable power supply. This is digital clock section. This is 1 Hz clock. This is 2 Hz clock and 10 Hz clock. This is digital output and digital input block. Digital input block provides fixed 5 volt power supply on DIP switch and digital output block shows the output using LED bar graph. This is potentiometer block. We have provided 1 kilo ohm pot, 10 kilo ohm pot, 100 kilo ohm pot and 470 kilo ohm pot and female leaders for the output connection.
This is function generator block designed using XR2206 monolithic function generator IC. Now this is frequency select knob. There are 4 ranges provided. First range is 1 Hz to 100 Hz. Second range is 100 Hz to 10 kHz. Third range is 100 Hz to 100 kHz. Fourth range is 100 kHz to 1 MHz. This is frequency adjust knob. This is amplitude adjust knob. And there are 3 outputs: ground, this is square function or sinc function, and this is triangular or sine function, which can be selected using this switch. This is measurement section. It contains digital ammeter and digital voltmeter. Let us test voltmeter with the help of variable power supply. Let us connect variable power supply with positive voltmeter terminals. Okay, now we see output of variable power supply. Let me vary the knob. I am decreasing the knob and voltage is changing. Okay, now let me connect the terminals to negative power supply. Now let us see ammeter with the help of 3.3 kilo ohm resistor connected to variable power supply. Let us change the knob of variable power supply and see if the current changes. I am increasing the knob and current is also increasing.